Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an unboxing of Coach's Soft Empire 28. So this is the honey brown, and I've never seen this size or this color before. So let's take a look at what we have. This card. So it doesn't come in a box. I ordered this straight from the Coach website, and there's no box, which is disappointing, but it's okay. All right. So the sun is really out today, so I hope it's not completely blown out in this video. Hope the color is accurate. So let's see. Okay, let's take a look here. So I have the Empire 40 in the Merlot, and I love it, but sometimes I wish it was a little smaller for an everyday. So I decided to get the 28 in the honey brown. So it comes with a strap here, crossbody strap. I'll take that apart later. Let's take a look at this bag. So this is genuine full grain leather stamped on the bottom. And the leather looks pretty much like how my Merlot looks, but it does show a little bit more grain. So this is a nice size. I also have the Roe Margot 12, and I kind of feel like this is a little bit smaller, but they are similar in size. I like that it's got the feet here. All right, let's see if I can take some of this apart. This is going to take me a while, but I do like that it's got this flap here with the zipper, and the zipper is really smooth. I just love a good zipper. It's got the brass hardware. The color is actually a really nice tan brown. It's kind of like a camel color, so I like that. So this is pretty nice. I will have a full review up next week, and I'll do a comparison with the Empire 40, and maybe I'll even drop in a comparison of the Roe Margot 12. All right, well, let me know what you guys think. I will have all of this removed, and I'll see you next week with the full review. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Take care.